Check this out, guys. Come with me. This is the grand sphere. Look at this. Look at this projection. You've got a massive screen here. Now, watch this. We move the seat back. Okay, autonomous mode, right, means I can relax back here. Now, this is so cool. Let's close the door. Okay. All right, now watch this. Look at this. It's going to recognize my hand. Okay, ready? Look, just by going like this, now watch this. I'm actually moving the dial with my hand. That is magic. Wait, wait. And now it's going to respond the other way. Look at this. Look at this. That is absolutely insane. How crazy is that? Look, ready? Pull for takeover. Are you ready? What? Okay.
Mode activated.
Activated. Drive mode activated. All right, come into the passenger seat. Come around. All right, now check this out. Look, this is like a living room, right? So, with your passenger, if I press right here, you get your drink, and this pours out some fresh water. All right, now this has been deactivated because otherwise they knew I'd drink it all. Now, if you get in, let's close this door. Close. Look at the back door closing. This is so cool, guys. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, ready? Now watch this. To change the music, I'm gonna look at this icon and it's all gonna change. Ready? Okay, now I confirm over here. Confirmed! Look, it changed. Let me do it again. Ready? I'm gonna look at this icon. Ready? And I confirm. And it changes again! Stop it! This is too cool! Ah!